Okay, and welcome back to the No Name channel, and I'm Bruce, and today, like I said in the last video, the Singaraja Bali Snippets, we're going to look at the market today. Here's the market down here, and first we're going to pick up from Jalan Hasanuddin, where we ended in the last video with Zoey, Masha the Bear, and me, and we come down here and we enter the market this way. And so we're in the the east side of the market. And then the second part of the video, we're going to be starting from here, home, and we're going to go down Jalan Diponegoro, and you've seen us go that way many times. And we get to Jalan Sawo, and we'll be entering the market from over by Jalan Sawo. And we go into the market today. And we're doing some shopping. We're not just looking. And so this is a traditional market. My wife was not real crazy about going to the market at 8 o'clock in the morning. She usually goes around 5. But she went because I said I would buy food. And so, yeah, so that's it. Let's take a look, and I'll talk about the market as we go through. And so let's get. Oh, lots of food. Hello. Pagi. Pagi. Come on. So the first trick is to get across the street. That's not always easy. And so this is the east side entrance to the market. And you'll hear in this section of the video me constantly telling the girls to watch out, because motorbikes go right through here, as crowded as it is. We're going back to the Alpha Mart. We're going over to Jalan Diponegoro. It's easier to walk in Jalan Diponegoro. Oh, Zoey and I used to walk this way every day. Watch out. Hello. Kampung Bugis. What?
There's a doggy.
All right, come on. We have not been down here in. Watch out for the motorbikes. Watch where you're going. Okay. First time we have been here in years. We used to come by here every day when you were little.
Hello.
Hi.
Suhanah.
Cassie. Okay, that's the mangoes.
No, you don't get a bite.
Why doesn't Grandma buy fruit? It looks like it's moving manga.
Please don't buy it here.
All right, look out for the motorbike.
And here is steak. No, that's my mustard.
Look out. So if you have not been in a traditional market,
Single file.
you really need to go.
Tell Masha to watch out.
It's just It's one of the fun things about living here. We, we don't go enough, but you have a lot of fun here. And prices are a lot better than the supermarkets. You get some practice in bargaining, and
I'm surprised
well,
your grandma's not here.
even if you don't bargain very well, like me, things still aren't very expensive.
Zoe, Masha,
Wow.
come on. Okay. Okay. So we've got lots of food here. Look out. Okay. Some dead chickens. And gold chops. And of the many gold chops that I've bought gold in,
I just wanted to ride a dome car with you and my friend, and then we would just go over there and done.
we're not taking the dough car.
Why?
Because I'm walking, I need exercise. I spend all day in front of the computer.
I just wanted to do like that.
Well, you're not doing it with me. I don't like riding dough cars
Why?
because they're bumpy.
Oh yeah.
Here. Here, here. Come on. Choo choo. And we're back on Jalan Diponegoro.
And we're back again. This time we're coming in from the west side, from Jalan Diponegoro and Jalan Sawo. This is Jalan Sawo. There used to be, during the more restrictive part of the coronavirus era here, there used to be a little gate you had to go through where they took your temperature. But that's gone now. And you see, most people have a mask, but some are wearing them properly and some are not. And so the young lady here said, calamari, calamari. And Zoe said, what's calamari? Squid, chumi chumi. Oh. Come on.
Ooh, look at this one.
Wow.
How about this? What is this? An octopus? Or just the same? It is a grandpa. Grandpa.
Yes.
It's an octopus.
Yeah, those are octopus.
Can I touch it?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't want it. Do they stick? Stick, Grandpa?
Yeah.
And so we're going inside the market now. You see, my wife is like on a mission here. She knows where she's going. She knows what she wants to do. And she's here every day. So I was just trying to keep up with her and keep the camera on her and Zoe and on the food as much as possible. But oh, the market's crowded, and it was really hot. It was very overcast this morning. It's cleared up now. The lady says, "Who's that?" My wife says, "Her husband." "What's he doing?" "He's videoing." Oh, okay. Everybody had a good laugh. Of course, Sue knows everybody here. And so there was lots of comments about, oh, your husband's with you today. Oh, what's he doing? He's making a video. Oh, you have your granddaughter with you today. Yes. And so Zoe and I are just trying to keep up with her. So like I said, it was really, really humid this morning. Really hot, really humid. My mask was soaking wet. And my glasses started fogging up. So yeah, wearing a mask is not always easy. But hey, I'm 71. I'm planning on staying around for a little while to watch my granddaughter grow up and watch my kids enter their adult phase of life as they're entering their adult phase of life. And so we're just zipping past this. I really like the outside of the market. I don't like the inside, but this is my wife's thing. So yeah, you see all the fresh fruits and vegetables. The market is, yeah, it seems to be a little rattier than before. Now, like I said, I think in another video, eventually once the big market, this big, huge construction project that they have going over in Banyuasri on the west side of town, once that's done, I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen over here. Is this going to just disappear? People going to move? I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what happens. So my wife she was looking for salak because Zoe wanted salak, and so we found salak finally. And so that's what she's buying right now. And see what happens with this little clip here.
What? Oh, it's so hot.
I'm so stinky. That's why I'm nervous. I never know what I'm going to do.
Kilo dan? Itu kilo. Kilo dua. 1 kilo aja. Apa enggak? Apa enggak? Mangga kan mangga. Ya tembak. Karena itu, oh itu. Ini aku napasnya aja jalan-jalan. Kalian kan harus ke pokok.
Yum, yum. I like yours. I want you. I want you. I want you.
What?
I want some jewelry.
Somewhat. You're not getting jewelry.
Why?
Yang apa?
I love some jewelry.
Apa enggak?
Indah.
Anggur, anggur.
Dari tadi dibilangin enggak pernah.
Mana lagi jeruk mau? Jeruk panas kan?
No.
Anaknya?
Yes?
Seperti gimana?
Sabar sih. Udah jangan lima ya tadi. 50 Pak.
Oh. Hey.
Ini Pak nih. Berapa?
So we take off wandering through here again. I have no idea where we're going. I'm just tagging along here,
How do I go to
filming. And Sue's having conversations with all the ladies that she knows about what we're doing, people that want to sell her things.
Wait.
I was just trying not to get run over.
All right.
I wasn't sure exactly what was going on, but it turned out Zoe wanted jellies, which she likes, being a good Indonesian girl. More junk food for her, and so, yeah, Grandpa has to pay.
How much?
10.000.
I don't have 10.000.
Susu.
Huh?
Susu.
Mereka lebih yang tahu yang berang.
Oh, Cassie.
Lagu dia ya. Kita sana mereka sih mana kita pasti pergi mana ada mana nih. Nah, kamu Permisi lu, di tengah.
And so we've paid and we're off again and out into Jalan Diponegoro, and there are people selling things outside as well, outside the market, not just inside. So that guy had, I don't know, melons, and here you've got garlic and chilies. And so we're taking a look at these, and we see the scales that's set up there. So this is business as usual, and so we're wrapping up on our way home, but we have to stop and visit friends. And this is a guy who's known Zoe since she's been a baby. The parking security guy over at one of the markets. And so a little conversation, and that's it. And thanks for viewing. See you next time.